Hello friends, in this video we'll learn about the interrupt and its type in the ARM processor. So first of all, here is the simple interrupt program as we have seen it before, and we'll generate interrupt from GIPO port 0 by setting pin 14 from low to high. And as you can see, the interrupt is generated and the processor changes the mode. Now ISR is being serviced. Now next kind of interrupt is vectored interrupt, which is used when multiple interrupts may occur at the same time. So vectored interrupts are mainly used to give or prioritize the interrupt that which interrupt is to be served first. So let me debug the program. So here it is VIC controller. They are this kind of interrupts that can occur, and we can give priority to each of it according to our need. Here we will use EINT1, which would be given highest priority. So let me run the program. Okay, so here we find EINT1. So here we find VIC is being configured and EINT1 is given IRQ 0. This IRQ slot is used to give the priority to the interrupt. And as there are 16 interrupts, there are 16 priorities we can set. And priority is like less the number, more the priority. So 0, any interrupt with IRQ 0 will hold the highest priority. In our case, EINT1 has highest priority. Now on running the program, we'll see that how it works. Also in vectored interrupt, one thing is for each interrupt generated there is a separate ISR. So low to high the interrupt occurs and ISR would be serviced. Next is non-vectored interrupt. In non-vectored interrupt, if the interrupt are more than 16, then all the extra interrupt goes to non-vectored interrupt. The main difference is ISR, they are individual. In vectored interrupt they are individual ISR, whereas for non-vectored interrupt there would be a common ISR which would be serviced for all the non-vectored interrupt, and we would generate interrupt in same way, that is by low to high, and interrupt occurs and service routine is being executed. So here we see vector and non-vectored interrupt, and know the difference that in vectored interrupt there are like individual ISR for each interrupt and we can prioritize each interrupt, whereas in non-vectored interrupt there is a common ISR for each of them. Thank you.